Hello everyone. Today I come in another question which is asked in CSIR December 13. Okay, and this question based on the concept of class equation, which who I upload in the previous video. Which I upload the theory of the previous video regarding the class equation. Only apply that. Only apply that. Okay, and get through from this problem. Okay. Um, Problem says that determine which of the following cannot be the class equation of a group. Is this a class equation of a group of order 10? Is this a class equation of a group of order 4? Is this a class equation of a group of order 8? Is this a class equation of a group of order 6 or not? Okay, we only need to check whether which cannot be the class equation. Okay, please, if you will see here consciously, then here 1 plus 1 plus 1 means here abelian part is 3 elements which are self conjugate. So order of ZG is 3, and 3, since order of ZG is always subgroup of G, and by Lagrange's theorem order of the subgroup always divides the order of the group, and 3 must divide the 10, which cannot be possible. So this cannot be class equation. Okay, this cannot be class equation. Now, is this a class equation or not? Since this is a group of order 4, and every group of order 4 must be abelian, and that there doesn't exist any group of order 4 which is non-abelian. So class equation of a non-abelian group is always 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n, where n is order of the group. Okay, so here this cannot be the class equation, because in case if the group is of order 4, then the center of the group is equal to the order of the group, but here center of group is 2, which is a proper, but this cannot be possible. Okay, so why this cannot be possible? Same reason as that every group of order 4 is abelian and each element is self conjugate. Okay, but here only given 2 times 1 1, it here comes 4 times 1 ones. Okay, here should comes 4 times 1 ones, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, then this can be possible, but this cannot be possible. So this is a wrong option. Okay, now, is this a class equation or not? Group of order 8. Okay, since we know that class equation conjugate order of the conjugate class of A always divides the order of G. Okay, here is 2 conjugate classes whose order is 3 3, and my group's order is 8, and 3 never divide 8. Okay, so this also cannot be possible. Okay, but option 4, this question belongs to the 4.75 marks C part question. Okay, asked in December 13. Is this a class equation or not? Is this a class equation or not? Okay, group of order 6. Okay, here is 3 divides 6, 2 divides 6, and this satisfy this all condition, and this is just the class equation of a symmetric group of degree 3. Okay, this is just the class equation of a symmetric group of degree 3, which I have already explained in the previous videos. Okay, please see that before, if you don't see them till now. Okay, see them before, then come on this video. Okay, in previous videos I clearly explain the theory of the class equation. Okay, Mm, give the good hint of the class equation in accordance of my knowledge. Okay, so please see those videos and go on this. Okay, and then you will find, and this is totally a different approach. Okay, this is which approach I have applied here. This is totally a different approach. Okay, and please, this is the class equation of a symmetric group of degree 3. Okay, and this is the classic question. Okay, of this we cannot say that this cannot be classic question. This can be a classic question. Okay, symmetric group of but this, if he says that, if he doesn't use the but cannot, and he says that determine which of the following is or the classic question of a group, in that case we can't say that this is a classic question. Why? Because there is a group of order 6 whose classic question cannot this, Z6 whose classic question is 1 plus 1 plus up to 6 times. So here the bird cannot plays a major role here. So read clearly and then apply the reasoning and apply the theory very clearly. Okay, this can also be done by another approach. Why me this can be also done by another approach. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Please share, subscribe, share as much as you can, and subscribe my YouTube channel so I will be able to upload another videos. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon again. Have a nice